Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
President kari US Donald Trump haba ajingkran da kasngi ha White House. Ulaong ba ulay rap shibu ne kari India bat Pakistan hakaliang ka khayi ka pateng. Kumta ulay atho ba ula kerpat ikini ki artali kiri bakin sange no ya ka Thma balada kim sange unhap ban sange no ka khayi pateng batki kumta nakani ka daw kini ki artali kiri ki hab ban sange no ya ka Thma. Utram ulaong ru baki beriau kinamla ban penyat ya ka khayi pateng kumbala mau. Ngilala ban pensange no ya ka Thma nuclear nga Tharai kala bandong ka Thma nuclear ka bashir khai daki million ki beriau ki la ban yap nga ai khuble u JD Vance u vice president baru secretary of state u Marco Rubio nagbanta ka jintre kam jongki laong utram shu utram ulaong ru bakari US kan sayo ban penyar ya ka khai pateng bat ka Pakistan kum juru bat ka India ngin saya kran bat ka India menta bat shan ngin saya kran ru bat ka Pakistan la ban rap utram.
And let me say a few words about the historic events that took place over the last few days. On Saturday, my administration helped broker a full and immediate ceasefire, I think a permanent one, between India and Pakistan, ending a dangerous conflict of two nations with lots of nuclear weapons. And they were going at it hot and heavy, and it was seemingly not going to stop. And I'm very proud to let you know that the leadership of India and Pakistan was unwavering, powerful, but unwavering in both cases. And having these, they really were, from the standpoint of having the strength and the wisdom and fortitude to fully know and to understand the gravity of the situation. And we helped a lot. And we helped also with trade. I said, come on, we're going to do a lot of trade with you guys. Let's stop it. Let's stop it. If you stop it, we're doing trade. If you don't stop it, we're not going to do any trade. People have never really used trade the way I used it. That I can tell you. And all of a sudden they said, I think we're going to stop. And they have. And they did it for a lot of reasons, but trade is a big one. We're going to do a lot of trade with Pakistan. We're going to do a lot of trade with India. We're negotiating with India right now. We're going to be soon negotiating with Pakistan. And we stopped the nuclear conflict. I think it could have been a bad nuclear war. Millions of people could have been killed. So I'm very proud of that. I also want to thank Vice President Vance and Secretary of State Rubio for their work and efforts. They worked very hard on that.